Suppose we have this packet that we want to get to a particular destination at the network layer at some IP address. Where do we send it at the link layer? There are a couple of possibilities. One is that this machine is nearby and it's on the same link as our current machine. That is, it's in the same local area network as our current machine. A local area network is similar to the idea of a subnet at the network layer. So if that machine is close enough, then we just need that destination machine's MAC. If it's further away, then that means we cannot see that destination machine's MAC directly. Instead, we need to go through some router at the link layer, so that means we need our local router's MAC. Either way, we need some sort of MAC to know where to send it. In this case, that looks like a destination address that's far away, and that we need to send through a router. So let's suppose that our router's MAC is 00C9F and so on. So this packet will get delivered to that router. That router will take the network part of the packet, stripping off the Ethernet part of the frame, adding on a new Ethernet part of the frame to deliver it down the link on the other side of our router. So it's the router's problem how to get this packet and this frame to a remote destination. But just to get this to the router, we somehow needed to have discovered the router's MAC address. How do we do that? It turns out we use a protocol called ARP to get a mapping from IP numbers to MAC mappings. That is, at the network layer, our machine has to know it's trying to get this packet to a router, and so it knows the router's IP address, and that means at the link layer, we need to get a MAC corresponding to that IP address. ARP lets us get started in a way roughly analogous to DHCP at the network layer, and going along with that, we need a way to broadcast at the link layer. And once again, we'll use all 1 bits or all Fs as the broadcast address. So that's a special MAC address that means you're broadcasting frames to be received by every machine on the same LAN, and that are not to be forwarded outside of that LAN.